Okay, so let's say this is the folder where the content is originally hosted. Let's just open it. If it's inside a subfolder, then we just select the subfolder, right? So let's say we are transferring or moving this page. Just click on this icon right here. Okay, and now we're going to select either a folder or a subfolder from this drop down. So just to make it organized, first let's select a folder. Okay, so let's move it into this folder. Right now, let's go back to that new folder and see if the page has been moved. Okay, let's just search. Right, here's the new folder. Perfect. This is our new page. And then we're just move it inside one of these subfolders to make it more organized. Or if you want to keep it this way, so meaning this page will sit on the main folder, that's also okay. So just for this demo, I'm going to move this to the first subfolder for LinkedIn articles. So this one, move. That's great. So let's take a look. Wonderful. Okay, so here's our new content library page. Now, if you want to move a content library page to a specific subfolder directly, that's also possible. So here is what we're going to do. Okay, so let's once again select our content library page or the content library page that we want to move. Let's say we're moving this one. So again, the move icon, we click on it. Now we search for the specific subfolder from this drop down. So let's just use the LinkedIn article subfolder right here. Move. All right, that's looking good. I'm just gonna check that subfolder. All right, this is our folder. And then this is the subfolder where we moved the content page. And we should see it here. There you go.